Gorman-Rupp offers a variety of control panel options. This video demonstrates the Variable Frequency Drive, or VFD starter, Gorman-Rupp's advanced motor starter. The VFD provides the greatest flexibility in motor speed control, allowing the pump to operate at the ideal speed for the system hydraulics. A section of the discharge pipe has been replaced with a fire hose to make it easy to see how the VFD starter controls the flow rate, resulting in diminished hydraulic shock. For this demonstration, the control has been set to ramp up slightly slower than the soft starter control option. The VFD provides optimal control over pump speed, making it an effective solution for matching the influent flow into a wet well. When pumps are used in high-head applications or scenarios prone to water hammer, a VFD provides maximum control, optimizing pump performance to work best with the system hydraulics.